Good evening, guys. IBPS has come out with its upcoming year calendar, and the exam dates are starting from the month of August, and mains examination from the months of October and November. So, from my point of view, IBPS has waiting for the union budget, and yesterday union budget has released, and Mm, there is IBPS waiting for the budget and special allocation for the NRCET, but nothing is happened and no allocation is given for the NRCET, and there is no news in the budget regarding this CET. So today IBPS has come out with its upcoming year calendar, and probably dates are starting from month of August, and uh, those students who are wanted to prepare for upcoming examination, banking examination, there is a good opportunity for them to start preparation from right now, because IBPS calendar starts from the month of August, and uh, in the upcoming months, that is in the month of May and June respectively, there is a SBI clerk prelims and mains examination will be happening. So the you have SBI clerk, SBI PO will be coming, upcoming notification, SBI clerk, SBI PO, then enter IBPS calendar, that is SBI, IBPS RRB officer scale 1, IBPS RRB officer scale 2, IBPS RRB clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk. There are 5 to 6 examinations are in the upcoming year, so start preparing from now, because there is a huge gap between the release date of the IBPS calendar and uh, actual date of the exam, because the dates are starting from August month. So those students who are wanted to prepare for the banking exam, they can start from right now. Okay guys, that's what about the IBPS calendar, and most important questions asked from last 3 to 4 days regarding the IBPS clerk prelims result. So probably that not probably the most probably that chances are IBPS may come out with its IBPS clerk result tomorrow evening. So that's we are hoping for from the IBPS. So wait for tomorrow evening. So it is my sentiments that saying that the IBPS may come out with result IBPS clerk tomorrow evening. So that's I want to say in this video. Okay guys, thank you, and best wishes for them who are going to attempt IBPS mains examination tomorrow. So best wishes for them. Thank you guys, stay tuned and stay healthy.